So this is going to be my degenerative disc disease diagnosis. I want you to know, listening to this, that I have managed to treat it, or at least treated it to an extent which I'm fairly happy with. I don't think it will ever go away, but I'm pretty fit. I can play tennis, I run, I do all these things now, and before I was bedridden. So just want to preface with that it's not all negative, there's some hope. And then secondly, that I'm going to do other videos because there's just too much to include. But I will talk about my official diagnosis, my symptoms, how long it went on for, etc. And then you can take from that what you will. Hopefully it will give some reassurance to anyone else going through this. Hopefully you can help find a cure like I did. You can even potentially try what I did, but I can't recommend that legally. Speak to a professional, but check out my other video if you want to see how I fix my chronic pain, and I'm happy to do more videos if you request them. So now I've got that massive intro out the way. My official diagnosis is degenerative disc disease in 3 of my lower discs. One of them is slightly bulging, I believe, and I also have a pinched nerve between 2 of the discs, or 1 of the discs, whatever, and it causes like a real tenseness in my hip, in my buttock, my groin, my left hip, my left groin, that whole area can be, if I don't work out in the way I'm meant to, like with my running, it gets so tight. Imagine a hand like gripping that muscle to the point where you're in agonizing pain and you can't stop concentrating. I also, on rare occasion, my back can give way. It used to give way a lot more. But yeah, I was bedridden. I was had constant sciatica. I couldn't walk to the store. I was so weak. I couldn't even do day-to-day tasks. It was just horrendous. And I had this for years. Had it when I was 18. Took me till 25. So 7 years to find something that worked. And I saw countless people. I probably saw about 40 professionals. At least 30, that's doctors, physios, chiropractors, you name it. So I've explained in another video how I treated it, but this is just my diagnosis and to give you a little taste of what I was going through. So yeah, chronic pain day to day, suffering, just constant pain. I couldn't sit for very long. I still can't sit for really long periods, but it's gotten way better. But yeah, so sitting was a big problem for me. Walking helped, but it didn't cure the pain. And yeah, so I'll wrap it up because it's still kind of short, but that's my diagnosis and symptoms. And then hopefully if you're listening to this, and well, I hope you're not going through this, but if you are, maybe you can get some benefit from it. Maybe someone else going through this will be able to see this, and yeah, you know what I'm trying to say. Anyway, cool. Thanks for listening. I'm going to sign off. Maybe make another video on another part of my back pain, or just another video altogether. Okay, thanks.